He worked well with President Uhuru Kenyatta, and he made significant contribution to this country. And when he came from the US, I had several private meetings with him, and he expressed his desire to join us so that we create the change that we desire for this country. And he expressed his interest to serve as president if we can support him. And we welcomed him, and we had good discussion. And I believe he still remains very committed to that cause. And when he came, he found we had already started the opposition, and we were getting on. And we did brief him where we had reached. It's an alliance of regions. And to defeat William Ruto, we need to work around the clock. And by the time he came, we had already agreed on a formula. Martha Karua, J.B. Muturi, Mithika Linturi, and I had been allocated to deal with the Mount Kenya region in terms of making sure we solidify the nation and we chase Ruto and Raila from the region, which we have done successfully. Eugene Wamarwa, Cleo Malala, and George Natebea, we agreed they work on Western Kenya, and they make sure that they lock out William Ruto and Raila Odinga. Kalonzo Musyoka. We had a gap in the Gusii nation, and we told him right to the sword, he was in agreement, that politics is local, and he is more suitable to deal with the Gusii nation than ourselves because he understands the place better. So we did request that, just like we had done with other regions, he goes and work on the Gusii nation, which is already one term. Matiang'i has been busy trying to get a political party, organize structures and all that. And I think with time, we'll be able to get to meetings and continue with what we are doing. So I've seen a lot of nonsense. People saying that people have a problem with Fred Matiang'i, or he'll go it alone. Well, if he decides to go it alone, it'll be his funeral.